One stupid candle is what you need to turn years of losses into win. Today, you will learn the CRT trick ICT never talks about. We show you how to identify and mark the monster candle step by step. Show you a 6-hour trade I took with it so you can replicate the same results. I'm Fitosno from Trading from the Soul, where ICT is simplified. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.
I'ma keep chasing.
What's the ICT candle range theory? This is what your candle range theory looks like, and this is how the banks eat your hard-earned money with candle range theory. I used to struggle early last year with trading. Once I started adding CRT, everything changed. I look at a trade I took recently with it over 6 hours, guys. The candle range theory, we start with the candle. You all know what a candle is. Could be your weekly candle, could be your daily candle, could be your 15 minutes candle, guys. Then range. Your range is the difference between two levels in the market, which are what? Your candle range low and your candle range high. This is what your candle range low looks like, and this is what your candle range high looks like. Understanding the behavior of these two will make you more money in the market. Watch closely. Candle range low is the lowest the banks go to before closing that particular day. This is the lowest the banks push price to before they close for the day. While your candle range high is the highest price go to that particular day. Now this is where traders don't understand and blow their accounts. Candle range theory focuses on behavior of candles around this one stupid candle. We believe that if this candle was able to sweep below this our one stupid candle, we can buy from the 50% movement of this candle. Someone watching me will say, but Fitosno, it is too small. I will never make money from it. This whole range you are seeing here from the 1 hour time frame, remember this is daily time frame, it is a full price action. When it's swept here, we just have to mark out our 50% movement box and we trade. Let's see how the trade unfolds. And a full take profit level, guys. In fact, I've never seen something give me this so much risk to reward ratio, guys. To improve your win rate, you don't want to miss out this key factor, which is you have to understand your 1 hour time frame levels of bank delivery, which we have 1, accumulation phase, 2, manipulation phase, and your distribution traders. So this is your accumulation phase, this is our manipulation phase. Can you see this is our distribution phase, guys? In fact, if you understand this section of this video, you have conquered 50% of CRT, guys. Watch closely. This is our daily candle marked from the daily time frame, also known as what? Our one stupid candle. This is our candle range high. This is the candle range low of it. When we opened the next day from the lower time frame perspective, this is how it moved. An accumulation, and when it swept our candle range high, which is a manipulation, guys, and had a downside movement, which is in form of what? A distribution. So what you ask, but Fitosno, how do we know the one it will sweep first? What if it sweeps this candle range high first and continue going to the upside? Watch closely. This will save your account from losses. When is the time I trade my CRT candle? So A is you pick your one stupid candle. B is you wait for a sweep. We have rules under the sweep, which is if it sweeps the candle range low first, we trade to the candle range high. And if it sweeps the candle range high first, we trade to the candle range low. And if you don't sweep anyone, we stay out of the market. So this is an example of when we trade. This is also an example of when we trade. And this right here is a loss. Bank traps I see new CRT traders fall into is they mark out here as their one stupid candle. The lowest this candle go to as their candle range low, and the highest this candle go to their candle range high. Can you see our second candle low couldn't sweep our candle range low, and our third candle swept our second candle low. So new traders will make their entry, stop loss, and TP this candle range high. and you what? Fell traders. So how do you win with CRT? This video builds up on already out video. I finally cracked the ICT Candle range theory. Watch that before this. How do we win with CRT? So this is the candle range low and high of our one stupid candle. If it sweeps the candle range high first, we trade towards the candle range low. And if it sweeps the candle range low first, we trade to the candle range high. In this our case scenario, it was our third candle that swept the candle range low and we bought to the upside. See another powerful one right here. Can you see what? Our candle range high was swept and we moved to the downside. This will help simplify this more. We have three types of CRT: a bullish CRT, a bearish CRT, and a ranging CRT traders. A bullish CRT is when we swept our candle range low first, while a bearish CRT is when we swept our candle range high first, and a ranging CRT is when neither of the two was swept. Can you see it was ranging? Next is understanding the different CRT models to revolutionize CRT for you. Watch carefully. This is my profitable CRT models. I have my model 1 and what's my model 2 traders. This is my CRT model 1. So we want our one stupid candle, the candle range low, to be swept by the second candle and let our third candle move to the upside. Which I want you to picture this as what? An accumulation, a manipulation traders, and a distribution. Those things I taught you at first. From our 15 minutes time frame, this is how our CRT model 1 will look like. This is our one stupid candle. It will look like this. Accumulation traders. Mostly mistake I see new traders make is thinking that their accumulation must only be in consolidation form. This is a consolidation is when markets is what? Moving to the right side. But in CRT traders, our accumulation can be in form of what? Trending markets. So this is our one stupid candle from the daily time frame. This is our candle range low and this is our candle range high. When we came and swept our candle range low, we call it what? A manipulation. We make our entry up close and we target this candle range high as our TP. Third candle will be the one to distribute to the upside traders. Well, unfortunately for us, the markets move in scenarios. That's if you don't understand this, you will definitely lose your money in the markets. Watch carefully. This our CRT model 1 have different variations. Variation A, B, and C. This is how our variation 1A looks like. This is how our variation 1B looks like. And this is how our variation 1C looks like. So our variation 1A. So this is my candle range low and candle range high of my one stupid candle. This is my second day. We couldn't sweep any of the candle range low and what candle range high. Even my third day, we couldn't sweep any of this. It was my fourth day that swept the candle range low. That's what we are forming is a bullish CRT. From the 1 hour time frame, this is how it will look like. This is very, very important. After our one stupid candle was formed, our second day, we are what? Moving up. The second day price action. Our third day, first of all, push down small. Most traders would think this is a retracement and they will try to buy from here. Finally ended the third day was bullish. And our fifth day, the market was started going down, traders, and even hit the people that bought from this level. It's their stop loss. This video traders, I know how painful it is for traders to see price action move in their direction for a while and come to hit their stop loss. You have to learn this. It finally came and swept our what? Candle range low. Someone watching will ask, but Vitos, know how exactly do we enter to increase our money being made? We use what? Change in stereo delivery for our sniper entry. Is we simply wait for price to come and close above this candle that caused this downside movement. I'll mark out our order block, make our entry on it, stop loss below it, and take profit this candle range high. Let's see how the trade unfolds, traders. Okay, and that's a full take profit. You have to bend your rules to this and follow them. Bruce Lee will say that a successful warrior is an average man with laser-like focus. But I say that a successful trader is just an average man who chose discipline over his own emotions. I used to tell my students that no man is free who is not a master of himself. Like and subscribe if you're learning something new. You don't want to miss this. For our variation B and C, it will reduce your chances of losing your hard-earned money to CRT. This is our variation 1B model and this is our variation 1C model. Traps I see new CRT traders fall into is when we have a candle close below this our candle range low of our one stopper candle and you see them trying to buy. This is wrong. In most case scenario, the market will continue going down hitting their stop loss. And for our variation 1C, it will be wrong for us after we made this change in state of delivery and market moved to this our candle range high and it didn't retrace to our other block level. And when market finally comes back again, we try to buy. It will invalidate our setup traders. You don't want to miss this. Combining everything we've learned into a trading strategy. So our one stupid candle, you can pick it from the daily time frame 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. For our CRT entries, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. I'm going to be picking 15 minutes and 1 minute for this trade example. This is US 100, the 15 minutes time frame. This is my one stupid candle. This is my candle range low. This is my candle range high. I move to the 1 minute time frame and we wait for a sweep. And this is our sweep and it's also made a change in state of delivery, mark out an other block level. I'll make my entry here, stop loss below here, target this candle range high for TP and let's see how the trade unfolds, traders. If it gets to this candle range high using our rule, it will invalidate this our setup. We are in the setup, traders. Okay, that's a full take profit for us, traders. From the 15 minutes time frame, this is how it looks like. Which of our CRT model is this, traders? Drop your answer at the comment section. Traders, this trap you see here will give you back your 3 years of loss in trading. One stupid candle, can you see this is our sweep, but our next candle was it was a loss. Why did we lose this trade, traders? Because we don't trade only the CRT randomly in the market. In fact, look at another loss here using what I just taught you. So this is where most traders get what? Destroyed. I used to make this exact mistake early last year, which is what? See how we weaponize CRT and structure to win every single trade in the market. This is how the smart money really moves in the market. From a value structure low to what? A value structure high, and from a value structure high to a value structure low, and from a value structure low to what? A fair value gap, and from a fair value gap to our value structure low. And can you see whenever the smart money want to make their move, they create what? A CRT. Look at it here, look at it here. It's necessary for the banks before they make their move. Once this our one stupid candle was swept here, can you see we pushed up? Can you see again? We swept it and we pushed down. Let me show you this in charts. Change your trading forever. So this is the 4 hour time frame US 100. This is my market structure shift. Mark out our structural draw on liquidity. My value structure low. This is my fair value gap. And this will be my value structure high, traders. And wait for price action to move into what? Our fair value gap. This will become my one stupid candle, traders. This is my candle range low. This is my candle range high of it. Then we move to the 15 minutes time frame. This is our total soup. This is our change instead of delivery, traders. This is our what? Our other block. We can make our entry the consequent engagement of this other block. Plus below it, we target 1:3 for our partials and we smashed it. Prof Jibril said I should make videos about Crt continuation strategy. We let the remaining run to this candle range high and smashed is a 1:6 risk to reward ratio, traders. This is where it gets sweet from here on. We can decide not to take our full take profit at this candle range high. We can decide to extend it to what? To this value structure high. Okay. And what? Full take profit smash. From the 4 hour time frame, can you see this is our what? Our Crt model, traders. I covered this whole concept in the episode 1 of this our Crt series, which is secret Crt plus structure that turn losers into monsters. Episode 1, watch it. In episode 3, I'll talk more about different types of 15 minutes entries. I want you to continue liking and commenting on my videos. It would really make me happy. And besides, you don't want to miss out on future videos, traders. Always tell me videos you would want to see next. It helps me make better videos for you guys. And if you're serious about learning CRT concepts more and stop blowing your account, this is where to start. I've put my CRT course videos in a comprehensive way. The next video in this series is Secret CRT plus structure entry that turn losers into monsters. See you guys there right now.